outstanding design defines the 2007 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. Subaru made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Subaru infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, and remote keyless entry. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.